What's good, guys? Distance syndrome here. 31-day poster challenge, day 6. Let's get it. Let's hop into the Discord to see today's triggers, momentum, breathe, and signature phrase from OG Naruto. That's my ninja way. I'm feeling good today. I don't know. I'm gonna do the momentum one. It's the one that I'm feeling the most. So let's hop into Photoshop and let's see what happens. I'm gonna do like a really simple composition gesture of things like really repeating and increasing like in size to try to portray this feeling of momentum, of increasing speed and momentum. You already know how it is. I'm picturing something like that. I'm gonna see if I create some cool portrait with Midjourney or some kind of texture I'm gonna use. But I feel like for this one, I'm gonna go to my signature style, my particular like heavily textured with a lot of grain and a lot of grit. So let's see what happens. Okay guys, this actually took me an hour to make. Was vibing real hard, listening to some music. I really love how it turned out. I love the amazing texture that I managed to give this piece. It was built upon the momentum trigger, but also I sort of this build up speed, find your way phrase that remembered me also of Naruto. So I threw in that like little Easter egg to sort of merge like the ideas of the day. So yeah, I really love how it turned out. Also of the assets that you saw me use in this piece, you can try them for free on my website from the link below. There's a bunch of other paid asset packs that really help support the channel. So if you fancy some of those, I'm appreciate you. So that was everything, my guys. Hope you liked it. See you tomorrow. Fuck peace. Wish you conflict. You know how it is.